Hi, this is Era, and in today's video, gagawa tayo ng cheese cupcake. Something na pwede niyong pang merienda or pwede niyong gawing pang benta. Okay, let's begin. In a bowl, sift 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Sift this, then mix. In a separate bowl, beat your 200 grams of butter or margarine, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 large eggs, one at a time. Beat it with an electric mixer. Kung wala kayong electric mixer, you can use a whisk. Add in 1 can or 300 ml of condensed milk, and then 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. After that, add in your dry ingredients gradually. Be sure na well-combined na yung mga ingredients. Hindi na ako gagamit dito ng mixer para hindi siya ma-overmix. And then, I'll be using a 1 pack or 165 grams of cheese. You can use whatever type of cheese you like. Yung iba, imimix ko dito sa batter, and then the other half, ipang-decorate ko on top. So, gumamit ako dito ng 3-ounce cupcake liner. Just pour the batter in using a 1/4 cup. Basta wag lang puno kasi magra-rise pa to pag binake natin. Mga 3/4 lang dapat. After ma-pour, lagyan na natin siya ng grated cheese sa ibabaw. And then preheat the oven 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and then bake it for 25 to 30 minutes 180 degrees Celsius pa rin. And here is our cheese cupcake ready to be served. So, sa halagang 158.55 pesos, nakagawa tayo dito ng 21 pieces ng cheese cupcake. So, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. And God bless everyone. Bye!